The president has given the task to DepDev or NEDA to do an audit. And also there has been an offer for you to talk to the president directly. Has there been anyone who has reached out to you from Malacanang, or will you also do your own part in seeking perhaps an audience with President Marcos?
Well, wala naman dumating sa akin na information or any communication whatsoever that I need to talk to the president. Wala. Pinarating lang sa akin yan kanina ng kaibigan ko na sinabi niya na may pahayag daw si Yusek Castro. So wala po akong alam at wala pa akong direct na communication po kay Presidente. But nonetheless, kung sakasakali ho, ang gagawin ko lang naman is i-consolidate ko lang naman yung mga na-gather ko, na-collect ko ng mga dokumento, pati na rin yung mga, isa-summarize ko lang yung mga testimony ng mga ibang mga sources natin ng information. These are reliable sources. Para at least merong briefer, sort of a briefer, and then probably I can go directly to the investigating body, kung sino man ang dinesignate na investigating body, o kaya kung sinasabi nga nila na ang gagawa ng... Kasi kailangan investigating body ang pagbibigyan mo para ma-appreciate nila, ma-exploit nila yung ebidensya. Kung DepDev, ang kayang gawin ng DepDev is to conduct some sort of an audit, a study, pero they're not investigators.
Right.
So, paano nila ma-exploit yung mga dokumento? Kasi kailangan ng document exploitation doon.
Right. So, by your statements earlier, does this mean you're not willing to go to Congress because, well, there'll be a biased investigating body?
Alam mo, Ses, kung tinawag ako ng Congress, pupunta ako. I'll go there.
But would you be comfortable, Mayor, na ibulgar doon and i-lay down lahat ng ebidensyang nakalap mo, yung mga anonymous sources na lumapit sa iyo at nagbigay ng mga ebidensya? Would you be comfortable leaving it there, or even with the OP for that matter? Kampante ba kayo doon?
Yes, alam mo, Pauline, Sonia, ilang beses na ako humarap dyan sa Kongreso na yan during congressional hearings. I was actually one of the primary witness or main witnesses sa mga series of congressional hearings. So hindi naman ako natatak. Pan lang sila. Wag lang nila, sabi ko nga ulit ko, wag lang nila akong tratuhin na akusado dito. I'm not the accused. Tratuhin nila akong resource person.
But the challenge is for you to name names, and you said that you have 67, is that correct? Name names and have evidence substantiating your accusations against these people.
Seth, I just would like to clarify, state with clarity. I did not mention about the 67. It was Senator Lacson. And knowing Senator Lacson, it was probably provided to him by a very reliable source. Hindi basta-basta magsasalita si Senator Lacson. Hindi credible yung source niya dyan.